Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So I got a question the other day that was asking me about an other dependent tax credit for the advanced child tax credit with a one-time payment of $500. Now, I don't remember reading this anywhere, so I went back to the American Rescue Plan Act, and I'll just pull it up on the screen here so we can look at it together. The advanced child tax credit, or the child tax credit section of the American Rescue Plan Act. And I reread it, I was going through it, and I didn't see anything that talked about an additional $500 for other dependents if your child is over the age of 17, so 18 or older. So those that are 17 to 18 can still qualify for the advanced child tax credit, but it was asking specifically about this additional 500. And I looked and I couldn't find the question again. It was on a YouTube comment, but I just couldn't find it. But anyways, I was going through it and I was trying to dig in to figure out what on earth are they talking about? Did I miss something? And I wanted to point this out. So let's go back to Google for a second, because after I couldn't find it there, I Googled it for the child tax credit, other dependents, $500. And here's what I saw. I saw an article that says each child under the age of 6 qualifies for the $3,600. That is the advanced child tax credit, or a portion of that amount is the advanced child tax credit. And then you can see the sentence right after here. Taxpayers may qualify for a $500 credit for other dependents for each dependent that doesn't qualify for the child tax credit. Now, in reading that, you might think that, okay, this is an additional $500 that I might be getting in advance. No, not at all. So this is the same other dependent tax credit that's been going on since the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, and that's what it is. But the only difference here is you can't double dip. So with the American Rescue Plan Act, it raised that age limit for the advanced child tax credit and the child tax credit from 17 to include up to age 18 or under the age of 18 as of 12/31 of 2021. So let me say that again. At the end of the year is when you need to look at the age of your child to see if they'll qualify as a child or an other dependent. Now, if they're full-time students up to the age of 24, let's go back to the screen. I pulled it up here with the IRS website. What taxpayers need to know about claiming the credit for other dependents. So dependents who are age 17 or older, but if they qualify for the advanced child tax credit or the child tax credit, you can't double dip. That's basically what you need to know there. And this will not happen until you do your 2021 taxes in 2022. So there's no advance payment of this additional $500, but it is the same income thresholds of $200,000 for singles, and married filing jointly is $400,000. That is the same for the child tax credit and the advanced child tax credit, but this other dependent credit is not refundable, whereas the advanced child tax credit is fully refundable. So that's just something that I wanted to point out. So if you're reading articles out there, there's a few that were similar to the one that I just pulled up that worded it as to make you believe that this is something new and that you might be getting it in advance. So other dependents, you can do it when you do your taxes in 2022 for 2021. So just a quick update on that. Hope this has helped clarify it if you were wondering. And if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and leave your comments down at the bottom.